If you're experiencing frame stuttering in GTA 5, this guide will help you configure your settings for a smoother gameplay experience. Follow these steps to optimize your game performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Start the game and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This will reduce the load on your system and help eliminate stuttering. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing. This frees up system resources and can help reduce stuttering. Use the task manager to end tasks that are not needed during gameplay. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, ensuring that the game runs smoothly. Step 5. Adjust in-game VSync and frame rate limits. In the graphics settings, enable VSync to prevent screen tearing and set a frame rate limit that matches your monitor's refresh rate. This can help stabilize the frame rate and reduce stuttering during gameplay. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your gaming experience. Enjoy playing GTA 5 with smoother performance.